Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to solve storage problem on the Poco C75. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now from here, tap on about phone. Now from here, tap on storage. Now from here, scroll down. Now from here, tap on free up storage. In our case, we can free up to 86.8 megabytes. Now from here, tap on clean up 1.2 gigabytes. Go to your home screen and open the security app. Now from here, tap on deep clean. Now once you have opened deep clean, just scroll down. Now from here, you can see the amount of files you have on your smartphone. Just open each folder and delete data you no longer need. Just like that. Now once you have done that, just go back. Now from here, just go to your home screen and open the app drawer. Now from here, just delete any unused apps. Just like that. And this is how you can solve the storage problem on the Poco C75. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.